But what if you could save time by processing more than 2 bales a shot? How about 6? Meet the new Bale King 6100 Series 6-bale processor. Featuring same processing grinder as the 5100, coupled with an easy load 5-bale hauler. When you pull into the bale yard, you'll appreciate the precise engineering of this machine, starting with bearing roller tips that eases the stress on the 2082 bed chains. Then the triple loading forks place the bale accurately into the processor. £8,000 Torflex axles, 3-inch spindles, and flotation tires pack the load. The bed and base frame are constructed from 1/4 and 3/8 inch steel. The 6100 series processor is the product of over 10 years of research and development on ranches across the United States. Experience the most rugged and reliable bale processors in the field by visiting your Bale King dealer.